It is Saturday, July 12th, 2025. It's about 7 o'clock in the evening. We just had a downpour. We got about 3/8 of an inch. I don't know how much that is in millimeters. But yeah, we got, I guess, around a millimeter. Anyway, because an inch is, no, it's around a centimeter. Because an inch is 2.54 centimeters. It's a little less than half an inch. Anyway, here we are moving the animals, checking for lambs, checking for calves. It's not lambing season, but who knows, maybe I'll get some early lambs. It is nice and cool right now. In the 70s, I guess. Hey there, Mr. Bull. Very overcast, as you can see. So, there we go. All right. Whoa! Of course, Red's always first. There's Red's calf. Something happened to his nose, or is it just pink skin underneath? Hope it's not sunburn. All right, there they all go. Look at that calf jumping up and down. Are you guys curious about me? 413's fertilizing my field for me. There's that new calf that was born, I think, yesterday. There's Yellow's calf. She's looking good, that little calf. She's doing pretty well. Yellow's calf is a bull. Looks like a South Pole bull, maybe, based on the color alone. There's that lamb that's been limping for most of the year. She seems fine now, just a tiny bit of a limp, you know. I gotta tighten this fence wire here. You can see it kind of dips. I gotta tighten it up a little bit. So there is not much to report on or comment on. I'm glad to have rain. I will take every drop we can get. I know what it's like to run out of rain and the grass stops growing, but I think this rain's gonna be really good. And recently we got, I think it was 2 inches of rain or something like that. So, you know, that's pretty much the quota for the month. If we're getting that much rain in July, that's plenty of rain. You know, I did note that the goatweed has very shallow roots, which means that the goatweed's going to do just fine as long as it rains. Once the ground starts to really dry up, I think the goatweed's going to be struggling to compete with the grass. Hopefully the grass has put deep roots down so that it can survive a drought. So anyway, looks like the cows are happy. All right, guys, have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.